Taoism is an ancient Chinese philosophical and religious tradition that has its roots in the 6th century BCE. The tradition is attributed to the sage Laozi, who is said to have written the Tao Te Ching, one of the most important texts in Taoist philosophy. According to legend, Laozi was a contemporary of Confucius and served as an archivist in the imperial court of Zhou. Disillusioned with the corruption and violence he saw around him, Laozi is said to have left the court and traveled westward, where he eventually encountered a border guard who asked him to write down his teachings. This is said to have led to the creation of the Tao Te Ching. The Tao Te Ching is a short but profound work that lays out the fundamental principles of Taoist philosophy. It emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with the natural world, and of cultivating a sense of humility, simplicity, and spontaneity in one's life. Over time, Taoism evolved into a more organized religion, with its own rituals, practices, and deities. One of the most important figures in this development was Zhuangzi, who is considered the second most important figure in Taoist philosophy after Laozi. Zhuangzi is said to have written the eponymous text, which is another important work in Taoist philosophy. Zhuangzi's philosophy builds on Laozi's ideas, emphasizing the importance of living in harmony with nature and cultivating a sense of spontaneity and ease. He also introduced the concept of Wu Wei, which means non-action or effortless action, and which became a central idea in Taoist philosophy. Taoism continued to develop and evolve throughout Chinese history, and it became one of the three teachings of Chinese religion, along with Confucianism and Buddhism. Taoism had a significant impact on Chinese culture and society, influencing everything from art and literature to medicine and martial arts. Today, Taoism continues to be an important religious and philosophical tradition in China and around the world. Its emphasis on living in harmony with nature and cultivating a sense of inner peace and spontaneity has made it a popular choice for people seeking spiritual guidance and personal growth. The Tao Te Ching is the most important text in Taoism, and it is attributed to the legendary sage Laozi. The book consists of 81 short chapters, each of which is filled with insights and teachings about the nature of reality, the human condition, and the path to inner peace and wisdom. The Tao Te Ching teaches that the Tao, or the Wei, is the fundamental principle that underlies all of reality. It describes the Tao as a mysterious and ineffable force that cannot be fully understood or defined, but which can be experienced through contemplation and meditation. The book also emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with nature, and of cultivating a sense of humility and simplicity in one's life. It teaches that true wisdom comes from accepting the world as it is, and from learning to let go of one's desires and attachments. The Zhuangzi is another important Taoist text, and it is attributed to the philosopher Zhuangzi. The book is a collection of stories, dialogues, and parables that explore many of the same themes as the Tao Te Ching, but in a more playful and imaginative way. The Zhuangzi is known for its use of paradox and humor, and it often challenges the reader to question their assumptions about reality and the self. It emphasizes the importance of embracing change and uncertainty, and of cultivating a sense of spontaneity and creativity in one's life. Together, the Tao Te Ching and Zhuangzi have had a profound impact on Chinese philosophy, religion, and culture. They have influenced everything from art and literature to medicine and martial arts, and they continue to be studied and revered by Taoists and non-Taoists alike around the world. Taoism is a fascinating and complex philosophy that has had a profound impact on Chinese culture and beyond. At its core, Taoism emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with nature, cultivating inner peace and wisdom, and letting go of attachments and desires. The Tao Te Ching and Zhuangzi are two of the most important Taoist texts, and they offer valuable insights and teachings for anyone interested in exploring this philosophy. From their teachings on the fundamental nature of reality to their emphasis on spontaneity and creativity, these texts continue to inspire and challenge readers today. Taoism continues to play an important role in Chinese society, and it has also found a place in the West, where many people have found its teachings to be a valuable source of wisdom and inspiration. Whether you are a Taoist or simply curious about this philosophy, there is much to be gained from exploring its rich history and teachings.